This is how you make the ultimate FYI mushy pizza. Gotta get some nice sweet Baby Ray's creamy buffalo dip and spread it on the dough stuff. Then put some cheese on it.
You want garlic?
Then get some nice regular plain chicken to put on the pizza. And there you go, put the chicken on. Make sure to put a little bit extra cheese on top of the chicken. If you like, you can add some garlic powder and put it in the oven for 8 to 12 minutes. And here's the dough or whatever, pizza crust. Nice cherry coke with my pizza slice, which honestly,
look over here. Make sure to subscribe to From Fluffy.
That's her pizza. But definitely top 10 best pizza ever had.
What? Shout out?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't have a YouTube channel yet, but when I get one, guys, subscribe.